Nothing is greater than love. Nothing is greater than love. Have you ever wondered, in this entire world, what is the most powerful thing? Money, strength, success, time? No, no. Greater than all of these, stronger than everything else is love. Because where love excites, fear despair, and where fear despair, life truly begin. Love is not a word. Love is not just a feeling. Love is a state of being. It is the moment you move from to we. Love is not about changing someone. Love is about expecting someone exactly as they are. In love, the other person doesn't have to be perfect. Their presence alone is enough. Imagine this world without love. There would be houses but no homes, relations but no connection, no word but no comfort. Without love, a the human may survive but never truly live. People say love causes pain. The truth is, expectation causes pain. Love itself never hurts. Pain begins when we demand from someone. When we demand from someone what they are unable to give. The moment condition enter, love quietly lives. True love, true love does not hold. True love set free. It say, if you are happy without me, I still want you happiness. I still want your happiness. True love does not force, it support. It doesn't not bind, it allows. Your search for love in the outside world. But what about for love yourself? The today you stop hearing your loneliness, you become capable for true love because someone who cannot be themselves can never give complete love to another. Self love is not ego, it is understanding. The greatest sign of love, forgiveness. Where love lives, ego cannot survive. You forgive only when love inside you becomes greater than fear. Forgiveness is not weakness. Forgiveness is not weakness. It is the strongest form of love. Some people search for God in temple, some in mosque, some in churches. But God exit. But God exit. Where love exit, if love lives inside you, you are never far from God. Love is the answer. Every problem is the world has only one answer. Love is the answer to hate. Love is the answer for fear. Love is the answer to loneliness. When you choose love, you choose peace. In the end, it will not matter how much you earned. It will be matter how much love you give. Everything else will stay behind. Only love travel with you. If today you have love in your life, you are the richest person in the world. And if you don't have, starting choosing it today, because nothing is greater than love. Everything is love.